Hi, I'm Victoria Loveland Cohen, the minister here at Unity Center of Peace. And part of our mission statement is to empower others to experience their spiritual magnificence, right? We say that together every Sunday. Well, right now, we have the opportunity to empower more and more individuals with our live streaming service on Facebook and hopefully soon on YouTube. We have the ability to connect with hundreds more people and to help awaken within them the power that they have to transform their lives. So, in order to do that, we need your help. To attract more people to our live stream, we need to produce a service that runs a little smoother. We need to produce a service where we can feature live music and it can be heard clearly, and where the sound and the video match up together. People will watch a service that is well produced and where everything can be heard clearly. And when it's not, they go somewhere else. Also, when we're finally able to get back into the sanctuary, we want to continue to reach these individuals or anyone who cannot be with us in person, and to provide that same kind of intimate experience that you come to enjoy in our live stream. So when we reach our goal, we can invest in more professional equipment, which gives you a better experience. So we're asking you to invest in us so that we can invest in you. And on top of that, we have some special gifts that will really light up your holiday. They're these beautiful selenite lamps that our future minister team member and shaman, as Waldo, has acquired for us. Take a look at the picture here on this page. They're absolutely stunning. They light up, so they have such a beautiful, soft light, and there's a healing property to selenite, which you can read about here too. Really fabulous. So for specific levels of donation, you will receive one of these beautiful selenite lamps. So it's a clear win-win for everyone. I want you to imagine the possibilities. Together, we are making a positive difference in the world. And I thank you.